My name is Dr. Obeid. I'm a prosthodontist with 2 decades of experience in implants and cosmetic dentistry. And I want to emphasize the importance of having dental CT scan available in the office. We have a new machine that will allow us to get excellent x-rays that will help us in better diagnosis and treatment planning for big implant cases or even small implant cases. With the information that we get from the machine, we're able to decide if the patient have enough bone to receive an immediate implant, for example, or if they have enough bone to have multiple implants and be able to get teeth in the same day. We can also use it for conventional dentistry diagnosis. So let's say if you have a tooth that we don't know if you need to have a root canal or not, and we can't tell the right diagnosis from a regular two-dimensional x-ray, these machines will allow us to take small CT scan for a small part of the jaw, so we can do a better diagnosis with minimum amount of radiology exposure.